Where are you, sir?
Okay, currently in.
At campus.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, I'm going to start the explanation first. Hello?
Yes,
Ya.
sir.
It
Oke, halo, halo.
it seems like I have to switch the connection first. Yeah? Wait a second.
Oke, Pak. Untuk Mr.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir. We hear about your voice. We hear clearly. Clearly ya, Bapak Ibu ya? Jelas ya?
Ya,
Ya, oke.
Okay, let me open the explanation first before you're going to explain all of your guys' teaching document. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Alhamdulillah, today here it will be the last day you guys gonna submit your first action plan. Yeah, the first action plan for the uh, first cycle that consists of two meetings. Yeah, first meeting here it will be an online kind, and then second meeting it will be an offline kind, or you may switch that one. Yeah, and hopefully today we are going to have a better kind of explanations, compared to the first day of designing an innovative learning design. Yeah, and then compared to also yesterday's presentation from Miss Tari. Look at her smile. Yeah, thank you, Miss Tari. And then also Mr. Ahmad Fuadi. Yeah, I do expect today we are going to have a complete kind of teaching document, starting with the lesson plan, yeah? And then after that one with the learning material, learning media, student worksheet, and then last one with the assessment instruments. Hopefully all of you guys already created, yeah, all the set of the teaching document. And then if you haven't created yet, you may explain what kind of deep planning for each of the set of the document that you're going to create. And then you have to remember also not only considering it is in an online and then also offline kind of teaching and learning, but you have to pick also a problem-based learning or a project-based learning. Yeah. So you're going to have a problem-based learning. What will be the syntax of the problem-based learning? And then what will be the form, the steps in conducting a project-based learning? You have to consider also all the details of it. So not only mentioning, okay, this teaching document consists of problem-based, but no syntax of it. No specific steps that you guys mentioned. Okay. And then majority of you still questioning about how can we make a problem-based learning or project-based learning in a single meeting. Yeah, you guys have to do that one. Yeah, you guys have to do that one, completing one problem-based learning and then completing also one project-based learning. Yeah, and then you don't have to, what is it, you don't have to worry about the final product. For example, for the project-based learning, you don't have to worry about what will be the result of your problem-based learning of it. You don't have to worry about that one. You have to worry about not making or not giving the descriptions, giving the explanations about how that they're going to learn using problem-based learning and then also a project-based learning. Okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
then
Mr.
next
Sofyan.
one. Next one, while waiting for the rest of your friend here to join, some of you mentioning, it is a comprehensive task, it is UKIN kind of task. I hope you're going to throw away all the thinking first, yeah, because I hope you're going to focus on this one first, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yes,
Not talking about comprehensive, not talking about UKIN and then blah, 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 because that's a long, long way to go. Yeah, focus on this one first.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
And then when you're going to have your comprehensive exam, you're going to have the briefing. You're going to have an orientations, yeah, with all of your friends. Yeah, not only from English department, but also from math educations and then also from elementary school teacher educations. You're going to have the briefing, you're going to have a chance, yeah, to get the explanations. And then for now, I want you to please try to focus because it is not an easy thing to complete. Yeah? Your teaching document, your learning model, you got to focus on that one. Okay, everyone? Is that clear enough? And then can I see, okay, why all of you guys face it seems like, okay, this Saturday, and then I have to spend the time attending the meeting. Yeah? I hope you are going to talk with your guys' husband, with your guys' wife, with your guys' kid. Yeah, it will be only till 10 o'clock. Okay, and then after that one, you may do your weekend routine with your family.
Okay.
Everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Sofyan.
Okay, I guess that's enough from me. And then now let's go back to Miss Rusmi and Mr. B. Come on.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sofyan. Okay, please, Bapak Ibu. One of participant will be presented about this lesson plan.
How about us to Mr. Puadi because he's the last one here yesterday.
No, Mr. Fuadi
Okay.
yesterday.
I
Maybe,
mean, Mr. Puadi called the participants to give presentation.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, I agree with this. Mr. Fuadi choose this one. Don't say Alhamdulillah if we don't choose ya.
Okay, thank
Malah
you.
rugi Bapak Ibu kalau nggak mau ya. Don't say Alhamdulillah. Ya, Mr. Fuadi, is time yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Bodi and Bu Rusmi. So, give a time for me to choose one of the participant who is going to present his or her lesson plan. It could be wait.
Quickly, please.
Oh, Miss Rina. Okay, Miss Rina.
Okay.
This is the time for you, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Fuad.
Okay, yeah,
luck,
good.
yeah,
Thank
Miss
you.
Rina.
I love it. Yeah. Okay, it's time your Miss Rina.
Okay, Miss Rusmi. But firstly, I say sorry because I have done in Canva, but in Canva, I use document A4. Jadi saya buatnya dokumen A4, bukan yang presentasi, Miss Rusmi. Jadi saya tadi pagi tuh pas download, nggak bisa ke download, harus you should pay. Jadi saya
you just choose one of free by using Belajar ID. Use Belajar ID, Miss Rina.
Oh, Belajar ID, Miss. Tapi nggak ada pilihannya, Miss.
Iya, use
adanya
ini ya. Bapak Ibu kalau mau ke Canva gunakan akun Belajar ID ya. Belajar ID itu free. Bahkan untuk yang pro juga free ya Bapak Ibu ya. Tinggal memasukkan nanti nomor apa namanya? Nomor sekolah itu apa namanya? Kok saya lupa ya.
NPSN.
Iya, NPSN. Karena saya sudah mencoba Bapak Ibu, saya sudah menggunakan.
Iya.
Gini.
baru tahu, Miss.
Iya, Bang.
Jadi saya bentuknya JPEG
Bapak
aja
Ibu
ya,
masuknya menggunakan login dengan akun Belajar ID ya, Bapak Ibu ya, biar free.
Bang Sani, kenapa Bang Sani?
Miss Rina udah siap belum? Kalau belum siap saya duluan dah.
Nggak apa-apa, saya siap, tapi apa namanya bentuknya jadi nggak
Ya, it's okay. It's
It's
okay.
okay,
Nanti
Miss, ya.
nanti diperbaiki ya, Pak. Miss
Diflorkan
Rina.
aja Miss Rina. Nanti kan ada perbaikan dari Miss Rusmi sama Mr. Sofi.
Ya, kita semuanya ya.
kita
We
semuanya ya.
we all give suggestion maybe ya. And maybe Mr. Sunny, Mr. Body, Miss Titin ya have about one idea or new
Sudah
idea
terlihat
to
belum?
give about this.
Have you seen my lesson plan on your screen, everyone?
Okay. Yes. Miss Rina, where you find about this square? Kotak-kotak.
Iya, jadi ke downloadnya, Miss. Apa namanya? Ke downloadnya seperti ini kan dokumen A4.
Iya.
Ya, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, Miss Rina.
Yeah. Okay, this is lesson plan that I have made. Lesson plan. This is the identity of the school.
Miss Rina, di ujung the big itu baru 34%, maybe on 70% or 100%. Would you click until 100%? Ya, itu diklik saja sampai 100 bisa. Until 100%.
Ya.
Ya, oke.
Cukup apa more?
More, ya. That's enough. That's enough ya, Bapak Ibu ya.
Oke.
Ya. Oke. This is my lesson plan. This is kompetensi inti and kompetensi dasar. Materinya saya menggunakan ini ya, topiknya factual report for 11 grade and second semester. Okay, this is core competence and basic competence. And this is indicators of competence achievement. And basic competence for basic competence for factual report, analyze the structure of text and linguistic elements to carry out the social function of factual scientific text by stating and inquiring about factual scientific text about people, animals, objects, symptoms, and natural and social events, simple according to the text. Indicator of competent achievement, one, explaining the social function of scientific text, and secondly, short of the text structure, and three, analyze structure and linguistic elements of several texts. For the berdasar keterampilannya, capturing meaning in factual scientific text by oral and written, simple about people, animal, objects, and symptoms, and natural and social events. Indikator pencapaiannya, make opinion paragraphs related to factual scientific text, and secondly, presenting opinion paragraphs related to factual text. Tujuan pembelajaran or learning objective, through discussion and explore information related to factual scientific text, I hope students explaining the social function of factual scientific text. Second, short the structure of the text. And thirdly, analyzing the structure, linguistic elements of several factual scientific texts. And then make opinion paragraphs related to factual scientific text. And the last, present opinion paragraphs with confidence self. Okay, the first meeting, learning material. I deliver to the student, IT students, first definition of factual report text, and secondly, the general structure of factual report text, and Next, factual report text template. And next, language feature of factual report text. I have using general nouns, using scientific facts, using relative verbs, and etc. Okay, this is the example of the factual report text. And this is teaching method or technique I use for approach, scientific, or debate. And model learning, I use PBL, and method, discussion, and assignment. For teaching media, I use for media, student worksheet, and PPT, and the tools and materials use projector, laptop, and smartphone. And for learning resources, because in our school, we don't have textbook, so I use internet. Okay, learning step for the first meeting. Pre-activity or perceptions, 10 minutes. First, greeting, asking one student, and then teacher take attendance and describe the learning objective or basic competence, convey the scope of the material, and ice breaking. Still the first meeting for main activity for orientations. Students observe the text of the factual scientific text. Students are given stimulus questions regarding the material of the text. And with the guidance or teacher and direction of teacher or students, provide question and opinions related to the text. And for organize, the activity is with the direction of the teacher, student, form groups 4 till 5 students. Secondly, student receive student worksheet from teacher. And then in groups, students are asked to explain the social function of the text. This is duration 70 minutes. Still main activity guide, the part of the main activity will continue for our main activities. Students discuss with their group, short the structure and identify the structure. And students conduct questions and answer with the teacher. Okay, this is duration 70 minutes. And for closing, for first meeting, together with teacher, student reflections on the learning. Teacher provide reinforcement for ongoing learning. The teacher deliver the material to be studied at the next meeting. And the last one, teacher asks class leader to lead closing prayer. This is the first meeting for the learning steps. And this is the second meeting. For perception, still same with the first meeting, greeting and asking one student lead the prayer. And teacher check attendance and describe the learning objective, and then convey the scope of the material and ice breaking. And for main activity, for the second meeting, my activity is developing and presenting research works. With the direction of the teacher, the student creates a paragraph related to the factual report. And students represent their group, and other groups respond to groups that have presented their work. And next part, analyzing and evaluating. Students, along with their group, improve their work based on input from other groups. And next, teachers give appreciation and reinforcement of concept to the students. And this is the last part of closing for the second meeting. Same with the first meeting, together with the teacher, student reflection. The teacher deliver the material. And the last, teacher asks class leader to lead prayer. I think that's all, Miss Rusmi. For student worksheet, I'm not ready yet for assignment 2, just for until learning step.
Thank you very much, Miss Rina. Bapak Ibu keep applause. Miss Titin, semangat. Kayaknya Miss Titin sedang menyelesaikan.
Tinggal 200 tadi.
Ya, Miss Rina, there are how many pages nih tadi? 9 ya, 9 pages, 9 pages. Ya, oke. 9 pages itu before, belum ya. Student assignment yet
belum,
ya?
belum termasuk
Ya,
student assignment sama student worksheet.
Oke. Miss Rina, would you give about apa? I will close about this. Read diperbesar lagi, Miss.
Yang ini, Miss, apa?
Ya, oke. Ya, next.
Next
Yeah.
page.
No.
Oh, next scroll down.
Yeah, scroll down. Okay, please, Bapak Ibu, give a comment, or maybe you will give a suggestion. Mr. Muhammad Ihsan.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Miss Titin first, because Miss Titin raised hand. Is time your Miss Titin?
Oke, thank you. Assalamualaikum
You're
warahmatullahi
welcome.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Miss Rina, saya mau tanya ini, saya lihat ya dari activity first meeting sama second meeting, ini dilihat dari tahapan PBL ya. Kayaknya ini dibagi 2 ya. Oh ya. Jadi kan sebelumnya saya juga nanyain ya, boleh nggak sih dibagi 2 gitu kan? Ternyata ini dibagi 2 ya, boleh ya?
I don't know.
Yang membolehkan siapa?
Soalnya ya saya tanya dengan apa namanya?
Bapak Ibu mengajar di kelas setengah-setengah yang nggak enak, Bapak Ibu. Paling tidak diselesaikan dulu dalam satu sinteks ya, Bapak Ibu ya.
Iya, ini kalau Miss Rina ini dibagi 2 kayaknya, Bu. Saya lihat.
Enggak, Miss Titin katanya tadi boleh, maksudnya it can divided into cycle. Dari mana itu? When you get this information?
Enggak apa namanya, enggak ini. Enggak, saya ngelihat punyanya Miss
Rina
ini.
Iya.
Tahapannya ini dibagi 2. Jadi tahapan pertama, kedua, ketiga itu di first meeting. Kemudian keempat sama kelima ini dibikin di second meetingnya gitu. Sedangkan saya pernah nanya kan sama Mr. Sofian, ini harus selesai gitu. Makanya saya kok ini boleh ya gitu. Makanya saya boleh apa enggak ya gitu.
Kalau boleh mau ikut ya.
Soalnya harus nyari lagi.
Iya. Oke, Bapak Ibu. Next. Ini ada Mrs. K ya. Oh, Miss Rina. Tadi sudah dijawab ya. Miss Rina has answered the from Miss Titin question.
Iya, betul, Miss. Kan the first meeting, saya bagikan student worksheet to the group. Nanti grupnya itu menyelesaikan atau menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang saya berikan melalui diskusi kelompok. Nah, setelah itu maksud saya sih mereka presentasi di hari itu juga gitu. Karena kan hanya beberapa pertanyaan. Nah, untuk the second meeting mereka membuat suatu teks yang berhubungan dengan maksudnya masalah-masalah yang terjadi sekarang seperti itu. Jadi mereka mengidentifikasi apa masalah-masalah yang mereka buat seperti itu.
Jadi di first meeting mereka tetap presentasi terakhirnya ya?
Iya, presentasi dari pertanyaan yang saya berikan. Terus untuk yang second meeting, maksud saya mereka membuat suatu teks dari mereka sendiri bebas, temanya saya yang tentukan. Terus mereka mengidentifikasi masalah yang mereka teks yang mereka buat seperti itu.
Tapi terus dipresentasikan lagi atau tidak?
Iya, dipresentasikan lagi. Jadi setiap pekerjaan yang mereka kerjakan selalu presentasi.
Oh gitu.
Uh-uh.
Ya sudah, nanti saya
Nggak tahu itu betul atau is that true or not.
ya deh.
Miss Titin,
But
why you
this is
give
my
up
action
about
plan.
this?
Aduh.
Never give up ya, Bapak Ibu ya. Ya,
Ya, thank you, Miss.
ya, you're
Yeah,
welcome,
Miss
Miss
Titin. Thank you for
Siska.
your patience.
It's time yours.
Ya, sama pertanyaannya dengan Bu
Oh,
Titi.
sama ya.
Yes,
Oke,
iya,
sama.
soalnya makanya saya harus cari yang lain gimana caranya itu bisa selesai dalam satu meeting. Itu aja, Miss. Terima kasih.
Oke, thank you. Mr. Agus? Mr. Agus, are you unhealthy, Mr. Agus? Healthy ya? Okay,
Healthy,
fine. Are you
healthy, ma'am.
okay?
But I'm still
Okay, yeah. Maybe Miss Rina, would you scroll up? Up to Mr. Agus, I will comment upon this.
Oke.
Yeah.
Kalau scroll up saya harus kecilin dulu itunya, Miss Umi.
Ya nggak
Apa
apa-apa,
namanya?
dikecil. Ya, keep a little and then a bigger ya. For design is okay nih ya, desainnya. Karena nanti untuk di print memang harus apa tadi A4 ya kalau nggak salah ya.
A4. Iya, nanti saya mau masuk itu yang belajar ID coba, Miss.
Ya, learning object. Nah, ini kalau bisa fotonya Miss Rina dengan anak-anak nih di sini.
Iya, Miss, namanya. Saya tadi pagi gugup nggak bisa di-download.
Miss Rina harus upload. Miss Rina harus upload itu kan ada pilihan upload di Canva ya. Miss Rina upload dulu foto-foto Miss Rina, dokumen-dokumen dari laptop Ibu di-upload. Jadi nanti kita tinggal tarik gitu ya.
Iya,
Oh, Bapak Ibu mah lebih pandai. Lebih aktif. Saya nunak-nunuk Bapak Ibu. Nunak-nunuk. Nanya anak diomelin. Ya jadi tuh ngerti gitu. Aduh gitu ya. Pertama saya join Canva ya karena tinggal narik-narik aja kok nggak bisa gitu ya. Aduh malu banget. Akhirnya saya seharian Bapak Ibu nggak bangun sampai lupa makan sampai bisa saya menarik-narik dan mengcocokkan gitu ya untuk using Canva dan saya akhirnya ya open YouTube ya mencari guru sendiri akhirnya ya Bapak Ibu karena sudah menyerah gurunya gitu ya mengajarin yang sudah tua-tua terus bawel gini kan pasti nggak mau gitu ya Bapak Ibu. Miss Rina, please make a bigger. Maybe 470 ya, dibesarkan lagi Miss Rina. Ya. Terlalu kecil, saya sudah tarik-tarik juga di laptop saya, tidak besar lagi. Harus Miss Rina besarkan dulu. Ya, the bigger. Ini untuk core kompetennya udah masuk ke KI 34 ya, yang Miss Rina ya. Ya, oke. Ini basic kompeten, analyze. Di sini kan sebenarnya sudah analisis ya Bapak Ibu ya, tuh analyze. Sudah jelas di sini. Ini sudah merupakan basic kompeten, indikator kompeten, and then what is your problem, Miss Rina? Problemnya?
Problemnya mengidentifikasi.
To identify kan? To identify about this
struktur teks.
Struktur teks of report text ya Bapak Ibu ya. Report, there are so very difficult. There are about scientific ya, di situ banyak sekali kata-kata ilmiah ya Bapak Ibu ya, karena memang riset sendiri kan kalau saya membaca report itu hasil riset ya Bapak Ibu ya, hasil riset yang dituangkan dalam suatu laporan dan makanya hanya ada di kelas 9 semester 1-2 ya Bapak Ibu ya. Ini spesialnya di situ untuk English, there are so very difficult. Maybe from another student or maybe on the student siswa-siswa yang bagus ya Bapak Ibu ya.
Yeah.
About maybe English course, follow English course, and then have about private teacher. Ya. Bapak Ibu pernah diminta untuk private teacher tidak? Saya banyak minta, cuman nggak ada waktu. Bapak Ibu jam 3 pulang, kapan saya mau? Saya akan memberikan private. Jadi biasanya lebih percaya ke gurunya Bapak Ibu sebenarnya ya, daripada di luar gitu, karena lebih mengerti materi gitu. Next, Miss Rina.
Next for the next page or
next page, next page, scroll down. Oh, tidak bisa di scroll ya itu ya. Ya,
Miss,
ya,
scroll down bisa Miss kalau saya balik lagi ke yang tadi ya Miss.
ya, ya. Langsung scroll down aja, Miss. Scroll down.
Ya, that's all Miss. Sampai sini.
Ya, basic competent on skill. Kalau skillnya apa nih, Bu? Oh,
Reading. Reading.
make opinion on paragraph related to factual scientific. Ya, Bapak Ibu ini faktualnya kan sudah PJBL ya, Miss Rina ya. Presentating juga udah masuk PJBL. Ya, oke. Tinggal sintaknya, Miss. Where is about main activity?
Di lesson plan, di lesson plan, di lesson step.
Iya, ini. Hah?
Di lesson activity. Lesson.
Iya, iya. Iya, scroll down. Scroll down. Lanjut, Miss. Ya, learning material, oke. Teaching method, teaching media, and learning step. Iya, learning step-nya.
Ini yang meeting pertama, Miss.
Ya, di main activity-nya. Ya, tadi sudah ya, sudah terbaca dengan jelas bahwa ini 2 cycle. Miss Rina dicoba 1 cycle ya, Miss? Di 1 sintek ya?
Oh ya.
1 sinteknya biar lebih tepat nanti. Terus nanti tinggal ini ya. Tadi untuk eh, tinggal student assignment-nya ya, Miss Rina ya, disesuaikan
Iya.
dengan student
Main
kompeten.
activity.
Jangan sampai keluar ya, jangan sampai keluar dari itu. One skill, if you reading berarti student assignment reading ya, Miss Rina ya. If speaking, speaking, and then don't forget to give about kriteria penilaian, Bapak Ibu ya. Kriteria penilaian di reading apa, dicantumkan semuanya di situ ya. Kemarin saya lihat Mr. Sani udah lengkap itu ya, tinggal makanya tadi saya mengatakan Bapak Ibu there are more than 26 pages ya. Pasti lebih banyak lagi Bapak Ibu nanti untuk memproduksi your new to create the new lesson plan on rencana aksi. Ya, that's enough, Miss Rina. No student assignment belum ya?
Belum.
Student
2
assignment
kan,
ya.
Miss? Student
Oh ya,
assignment sama student
oke.
worksheet.
Ya, student worksheet-nya juga belum. Oke, thank you very much, Miss Rina. Bapak Ibu, clip applause one more, please.
Thank
To
you,
Miss
Miss Rini.
Rina.
Thank you,
And then so
everyone.
we ask to Mr. Sofian.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Sofian. Is it possible to speak?
Yeah,
Mr. Sofian? Okay.
Hello, Miss Rina, will you please keep on sharing your file, okay?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
One more, Miss Rina.
Yes, Miss.
Because Mr. Sofian been
Wait.
read about.
Okay, Miss Rina, first of all, you're one of the students that creating the teaching document with good kind of apps, I guess. You're mentioning you're using Canva. That's a good one, yeah? Because the previous, we got only Microsoft Words, Microsoft PowerPoint things, yeah, with all of your friends, and then you come here with the Canva. That's a good thing. That will be the first one. Would you please scroll up so we can see your lesson plan? Okay, there we go. From your lesson plan here, the school, it will be for the vocational high, yeah? And
Yes.
that, for your information, if it is in a vocational high, so your focus in teaching them English here, it should be about English for the specific purposes. Okay, Messina, that will be my first point. And then can you make it bigger, please? Because
oh yeah, I'm so sorry, sir.
Oh. Okay, there we go. You have a core competence, understanding, applying, analyzing technical concept, and then make metacognitive knowledge, science, technology. Okay. Okay. Second one, processing, reasoning, and studying the concrete realm and abstract realm related to development of what you learn in school independently, acting effectively and creatively, and being able to use methods according to scientific principles. Okay, my first question for you, since it is English for these specific purposes, What kind of vocational high that you teach for here, Miss Rina?
Tourism.
Tourism. Okay.
Yes.
So if it is tourism, it will be better for you to find the topic that really relevant with what happened right now. Okay, Miss Rina. Example,
yes,
the topic that might be really relevant for today here, it will be like how to increase the tourists visiting our tourist attractions. That should be a good one. And then what will be the challenge after post-pandemic COVID-19 with the tourism? That should be relevant. And when you're mentioning about your core confidence, to be honest, there are no such kind of tourism here, specific kind of tourism. Because you are in vocational high, one more time, it should be English for these specific purposes. I want you to please try to mention, not merely the common things, the general thing, but it should be specific related to tourism kind of term, tourism kind of activities, tourism kind of event or phenomena. That should be better. Okay, Ms. Frida? And then when we try to have a look at your basic competence, analyze the structure of text and linguistic element to carry out the social functions, okay, this should be fine. But your article, the text that you're going to share with all of your students, it should be one more time related with what happened now with our tourism industry. Okay, so that's what we mean by trying to connect the reality, what we face today, what will be the challenge that we got in tourism industry. Okay, and then for your indicator of competence achievement, the social function effect. Okay, what is factual scientific text? Okay, sort the text structure. Okay, analyze structure and linguistic element of. Okay, this will be your homework to revise, I guess, Ms. Rina.
Yes.
Trying to make it more relevant with current situations that we got, especially for the English for specific purposes. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, this will be the learning objective. Discuss and explore information. Okay, student will do the structure of the text. Okay, explaining the social function of, okay, next, scroll down. Make opinion paragraphs related to factual scientific text. Okay, analyzing the structure and linguistic element of several factual scientific texts. Okay. Wow, you gotta learn how to make a harmony within the color here, Miss Rina. Look at this one. Yeah, it's really difficult for me to read. What is it? The combination of the color of the background that you use, and then also with the font, the letter that you use.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
What is that? I present, or it is only a present opinion?
Yes, present, present opinion from the paragraph, sir.
Confidential. Okay. Okay, that will be your things that you have to edit, I guess, for this second page, Miss Rina. Trying to make a contrast kind of the color between the font, the letter that you use, and then also with the background.
Yes, sir.
So you can have a good visual things. We can see it clearly. What is it that you're trying to explore? What is it that you're trying to explain? Yeah. Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Next slide.
Wait.
Okay, for the learning material, definition of actual paper text. To be honest, if it is only a text, it is not an interesting teaching document. Yeah. So you're going to come with some kind of illustrations, some kind of pictures, or some kind of link of the video of the games, that you're going to bring to your learning material. That should be better. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, next, come on, general structure of factual, because if we only read all the details without, no stimulation, no things that gonna attract the student to, to make them feel comfort in joining your lessons, yeah, that will be useless, I guess. Yeah. Next,
Yes,
come on,
sir.
slide, please.
Still
Okay.
learning material.
This
is the learning material. This one.
okay. So which one is the learning material here?
Oh, still learning material, sir. No.
Okay, this will be the teaching method, technique, scientific, okay, feedback, problem-based learning, okay, discussion assignment, okay, teaching media, okay. Why did you mentioning student worksheet as your teaching media here, Ms. Rina?
Media.
Yeah. Why student worksheet? There is a media.
Oh, not including, sir. Media worksheet, student worksheet.
Asking you, why student worksheet that you put it as the media here? Why?
Because I share paper student worksheet from me, and then I share to my student. It's not including teaching media, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. Next, come on. Next. Okay, the learning steps. Look at that. This one, learning step. Okay. Next, please. Okay, the main activity, orientation, organize. So this will be the syntax of the problem-based learning. Yeah, for the first, since you're going to use problem-based learning. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, next, come on. Okay. Guiding and then closing. So this will be the last step of your problem-based learning, Ms. Rina?
Yeah, the first meeting, sir.
Okay, the first meeting, solve problem-based learning, case close. Okay, come on. Now let's try to have a look at your second meeting. Okay, so your second meeting here, it should be project-based learning, right, Ms. Rita?
Yes, sir.
And then that was the syntax of project-based learning or no?
Yes, sir. Developing and presenting.
What is it?
Developing and presenting result works. It's not including for the syntax, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me repeat it. What will be the first syntax of the project-based learning?
To analyze the structure of the text.
Yeah, and then where is it? Why you're not putting it the first syntax of project-based learning? Why suddenly you're developing and presenting result work?
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry, sir.
Okay, so you have to, for this second meeting, your document here, you're going to talk, you're going to use a project-based learning. Make sure every single step in project-based learning, you're going to mention it, you're going to explain it. What will be the activities that they're going to do for the students?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
right,
next.
Finish, sir.
Really?
Yes.
Where is the, what is it? What will be the next?
Worksheet student, but I have done yet, sir.
Okay, so back of student worksheet. What about the assessment instruments?
Not yet, too, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you still have a couple of hours, I guess, of this one to complete all of your
yes, sir.
document. Yeah. Okay, that should be from me, I guess. Miss Rina, thank you very much for explaining your set of document. Let's give a round of applause, everyone. Yeah, for me.
Thank you, Mr. Sofian.
Thank you. Go back to you. Come on, Miss Rusmi.
Miss Rusmi, time is yours. Halo, Miss Rusmi.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sofian. Sorry, I'm unstable connection before next. Okay, Bapak Ibu, give applause one more please to Miss Rina. Miss Rina, you just have done about, don't forget your homework. You have a homework of to compare about this student assignment ya.
Okay,
Student
Miss
assignment,
Rusmi,
ya,
yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
And then Bapak Ibu sudah terjawab ya. Is that answered by Mr. Sofyan? Is that one meeting we had about half of syntax of PJBL ya. Jadi
Ya,
nggak
Bu.
boleh setengah-setengah ya Bapak Ibu ya.
Harus
Nah,
dalam satu pertemuan selesai ya, Bu ya.
iya. Ya, sinteksnya harus Bapak Ibu ya. Sinteksnya diselesaikan. But maybe from this product we have another days like this. Yeah. Oke, Bapak Ibu. Is that enough? Any other question? Enough ya Bapak Ibu ya. That's enough because there are how many participants will present about this. Miss Rina, choose one of participant.
Okay, Miss
Please.
Rusmi.
Yeah.
I will choose Mr. Ahmad Sani.
Oh, okay. Mr. Ahmad Sani, it's time yours. Halo Pak Sani.
Mari. Halo, saya dengar suara saya
Oke,
nggak?
ya.
Ya,
Ya.
salah. Ya, thank you for the chance, Miss Rusmi, Miss Rina, and Mr. Sofyan, and all my friend here. Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, here I'm going to give my action plan for the first action plan. Please give me some corrections and give me some critiques and give me some advice if what I'm going to do there are many mistakes here. Okay. First, I'm going to share about Miss Rina problem in using Canva. I think if we want to make Canva optimally, we can use Canva for education. Yeah, we can just sign up our Belajar ID, ya, and we can get it full, ya. Pokoknya semuanya dapat di situ. Oke, thank you. Bisa saya share screen kan Ibu ya?
Iya, ya. Oke. It's time your Mr. Sani. Please.
Oke, sebentar. Kelihatan, Bu?
Ya. Masih ini, Pak. Masih kan, Pak. Belum di-download ya?
Iya, udah saya download, Bu, ini, Bu.
Oh, sudah download. Yang terlihat masih akun Canva Pak Sani ini. There still your Canva akun?
Udah belum?
No, not yet.
Coba saya ulang ya.
Maybe close ya.
Okay,
close of this Canva. And you can present about the download. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That's clear, Mr. Sani.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rusmi.
Yes,
okay,
you're welcome.
Here I'm going to explain about my action plan, and like Mr. Sofyan said and Miss Rusmi said, in action plan there must be a lesson plan and learning materials, learning media, and assignment, and also the worksheet. Yeah, here is my explanation. Here is my teaching documents. I choose the problem is greeting card like previous LK, and in our schools, in my schools, it's still using K13, but our principals give chance to the teachers to adapt belajar mandiri kurma, ya, or pilihan pertama. Okay, but here I use K13 lesson plan. Yeah, this is my lesson plans. Wait a minute. This is my school, SMP 16, and I took the tema is a special days in September is greeting card. And actually, in K13, at least consists of learning materials, learning steps, and the assessments. Yeah, because of that, I do not choose core competence. I just put the basic competence only. But my greeting card is based on the basic competence is 3.5, yeah, and 4.5. 3.5 means pengetahuan, and 4.5 is mean keterampilan. 3.5 is the learner's basic competence to distinguish social functions, structures, and language features of greeting card, and the in keterampilan or 4.5 to range written text in greeting card, knowing social functions and language features correctly. And also I took learning objectivities. As I know, learning objectivities, it must be consist of some criteria. What are these? Learning objectives is must be A, B, C, D. A means audience, B is behavior, C is conditions, and D is degree. I think what I wrote here, through project-based learning models, learner can make a greeting card by using elements in greeting card correctly. I think it consists ABCD elements to define learning objectivities. A is the learners, B is through project-based learning models, and the learner can make greeting card, and C through project-based learning models, and D is correctly. I think this is the ABCD learning objectivities. And this is the indicator achievement competence. What I wrote is still related with the learning objectives and basic competence 3.5 and 0.1 and 4.5.1 on 2 for pengetahuan and keterampilan. And the learning materials, what I did is what I have to taught to my students is social functions, structural text, and expressions in greeting card. This is learning materials. And also the learning features in greeting card. And learning activities, I choose project-based learnings. Yeah, project-based learning, it has a syntax or the steps. As usual, as teachers, we have to open the learner first, like greeting to the like greetings, and correlate the previous material before, and checking understandings, and also deliver basic competence, learning objectives, and assessment, what they are going to do, or the students are going to do in the meeting. And this is the main activities based on project-based learnings. First, the first syntax or the first step is essential questions, and the second one is designing. The third one is creating the schedules, and the fourth one is monitoring the progress project. And the next, assessing the outcome, and the last is evaluating. This is the syntax or the step of project-based learning. The first one is essential questions. Yeah, I have to deliver a topics and some question about kind of greeting card to do my students. And the second essential questions, the learner is trying to ask essential question about what they have to do based on the topics. After making essential questions, I have to design it. Yeah, the teacher explain the steps of making greeting card and so on. And after designing, we have to creating the schedules about what we have designed on the second syntax of PGBL. And the next is monitoring the progress projects. Now, I think this is the more main things in PJBL from the teachers. The teachers must be checking, must be monitoring, must be knowing about the students' difficulties while progressing the projects in greeting card. And the next, after monitoring, we have to assessing the outcome. Yeah, what are the most appropriate projects, and the students must present about the result of their projects to other groups. And the last one is evaluating. Yeah, it is the conclusions of PGBL or evaluating. The teachers guide the process of exposing the project, and the teacher has or must give a response about the results. Yeah, and the last one in learning cycle is must be closings. Yeah, this is the closing what I usually do. What I commonly use in my schools. Yeah, I have to encourage the students, motivating, and the teachers to have to announce the topic of the discussion in the next meeting, And the last one is must be performing by praying. And the learning resource I took in my school is still using when English ring bell. Yeah, but I do not only use this box. I also get from the articles from the internet. I use YouTube video and many resources I did like quizzes, but I forget to write in my worksheet. Yeah, and learning method because I use PGBL. One of the method is discussing, and this is the model, like I said before, project-based learnings, and my learning media, like I said before in previous meeting, in my school use Pijar Sekolah, PPT, and laptop, projector, etc. And the assessment, what I did as usually, I have to give some assessment include attitude, cognitive, and non-cognitive. Attitude means like an observations. Cognitive, I mean it is like pengetahuan. Ya, non-cognitive is keterampilan. Pengetahuan I choose written test by essays, and non-cognitive I took project assessments. And this is the learning project. This is the learning research. Yeah, activity one. This is the research. I took the articles from the internet, like here, and this is a topic about kinds of greeting card like condolence and happy party and get well soon card and so on. And the activities I took from watching YouTube video, and this is what the students do in these activities, discussing and knowing what elements are they know from the video, especially from greeting card. This is the instruments of student worksheet. My instruments of student worksheet here it is. I hardly ever use multiple choices in giving student worksheet. I usually essays like this one. Find out what is the vertical of the text above, and the second one, the instruments of student worksheet is analysis the generic structures of the greeting card above. Yeah, and this is the last what student worksheet I took, and the student must took it to Pija Sekolah. Like I said before, my school use this one. And LKPD-nya, this is like I said before in penilaian observasi. And this is kartu soal what I made based on the topics. Yeah, I do. Maybe this is I will. Maybe next after this I present this presentation, I will ask Miss Rusmi or friends. I usually put kartu soal in essay form. Itu boleh nggak? Apakah harus berupa multiple choices itu? Jadi pertanyaan saya juga agak ragu sebetulnya ini. Terus, and ini observingnya tentang penilaian penilaian pengetahuan. Tadi saya sudah sampaikan berupa esai bentuknya. Jelas nggak Bu ini Bu kalimatnya nih? Please analyze generic structures. Terus yang kedua, can you find the difference purpose in the greeting card above? Kelihatan nggak teman-teman tulisan ini? Halo? Kelihatan ya? Oke, ini adalah ini instrumen dalam pengetahuan yang saya berikan kepada siswa saya, dan ini adalah kisi-kisi dalam pengetahuan yang harus saya lampirkan kepada siswa saya yang masih dalam pemberian pengetahuan ini setidaknya harus ada higher order thinking, ya seperti menganalisa dan seterusnya, nggak harus lower order thinking. Seperti yang saya sampaikan di sini, saya hanya bisa pada tingkat ya L2-nya ataupun juga L3-nya. Ini masih ada Bapak Ibu ya sebenarnya kepotong nih dari Canva-nya nih. Terus lembar penilaian project-nya, ini penilaian project-nya, dan saya rasa ini yang bisa saya sampaikan tentang teaching documents untuk action plan yang saya buat. Terima kasih. Mohon
thank you very much, Mr. Sani. Keep applause, please. So great, luar biasa. Ini nggak tidur nih semalam ya.
Baru tadi Bu
Ya.
ngerjain Bu. Baru
Oh, baru
mindah-mindahin.
tadi. Ya.
Mindah-mindahinnya.
Ya, 24 pages ya. There are
26
24
pages.
pages. Oh, 26 ya. So great. Oke, Bapak Ibu, Will first. Miss Buntari.
Yes, Miss Rosmi, I was amazed by Mr. Sunny's teaching
Oh, what
document.
happened? Is that unstable connection?
No, halo?
Ya, halo, halo.
Ya, saya ini keren banget Mr. Sunny teaching dokumennya. Mungkin nanti saya bisa nanya-nanya. Udah lengkap semuanya sampai ada kisi-kisinya. Luar biasa. Saya nggak ada komen banyak lagi di bisnis resmi.
What about teaching media, Miss Buntari?
Teaching medianya tadi pakai apa ini Mr. Sunny?
Kayak apa tadi?
YouTube ya? Watching
YouTube,
video
ya.
YouTube ya. Kalau nggak
Watching
salah.
video YouTube.
Nanti berarti
Learning
hasil
resources, harus. Tapi masih student book ini, learning media, the student book. Why you write this the student book, Mr. San ini ya? Nanti deh kita koreksi ya.
Nah, ini salah pengetikan Bu. Maksudnya students book yang digunakan itu When English Ring a Bell yang ini judul bukunya.
Article from the internet. Ya, oke. That's enough, Miss Buntari.
Yes, Miss Rosmi, that's enough.
Okay, thank you. Are you okay ya, Miss Buntari? Something wrong with you or maybe sick? No? Yeah, okay.
No, Miss.
Okay, stay healthy, Miss Buntari. Next, Pak Ihsan. Yeah, okay, Mr. Ihsan.
Look at
what do you think about Mr. Sani presentation?
I think it's the best presentation I have seen until now. He has already made everything, including kisi-kisi, for the learning lesson plan. I want to ask one question to Mr. Sani. What is the final result of this learning, Mr. Sani? You use project-based learning, right?
Yes.
Yes. What is the final result from this learning process for your student?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ihsan, for questioning me. Yeah, the result of PJBL based on the names, PJBL is project. It means the students must be present as projects based on the learning activities. I took greeting card. It must be the students have to give a project about kinds of greeting card, like condolence card or happy birthday card or get well soon card or wedding card and seterusnya, seperti itu Pak. Itu ya nanti hasilnya ya berarti siswa harus bisa menghasilkan sebuah produk dari materi yang telah kita ajarkan dengan teknik project based learning ini.
Do you provide the paper for student to make a card or the student?
Terus putus ya Bapak Ibu ya? Apakah saya saja?
Do you provide the paper for student to make a card, Mr. Sani, or the student themselves provide the paper to read the card in the class?
Yes, like I said before, in learning in the steps of PJBL, the teachers must be provide maybe like some card or like provide any paper to the students as a guidance to make it or to create a greeting card. Yes, it. Not only by the students itself. I mean, we just give the instructors to the student by providing paper, and they have to discussing with their groups and analyzing after watching video or any from articles they get it, dan seterusnya seperti itu Pak.
Thank you, Mr. Sunny. I think it is very good composition and very good, you know, tampilannya ya. What's mean tampilannya?
Iya Pak, nanti pakai Canva Pak. Begini Bapak Ibu. Bapak Ibu punya ini kan ya, maaf saya potong. Bapak Ibu punya akun belajar ID semua kan ya?
Punya.
Punya.
Saya belum
Punya, Pak.
Mungkin
Ya.
bagi yang belum, bagaimana cara Pak Sani?
Kalau belajar ID yang belum punya, biasanya nanti minta sama operator sekolahnya. Karena kan Canva ini kan sudah bekerja sama dengan Kementerian Pendidikan ya. Kementerian Pendidikan. Nah, saya sebelum pakai Canva yang berbayar. Cuma karena dapat dari kementerian, akhirnya saya putus tuh yang berbayar saya. Kenapa? Karena ternyata sangat mudah dan itu full access, Bu. Apa segala jenis fontnya, template-nya, semuanya bisa kita dapetin di itu dengan satu syarat kita harus mengupload SK pembagian tugas kita ke Canva tersebut. Nanti dalam waktu 1 kali 24 jam akan di-approve sama Canva itu sendiri dan kita bisa ya browsing dengan bisa surfing selancar dengan Canva. Seperti itu Bapak Ibu.
Can you show me the syntax, Mr. Sani?
The syntax of
your project-based learning in your presentation.
Nah, here is the syntax. The first is
Sintaxnya di main activity tadi, Pak.
Ya,
Yeah.
main activity.
Main
The
activity.
essential questions. Second one is designing. The third is creating. And the fourth is monitoring, assessing, and evaluating. Ini steps dari PJBL yang setelah saya baca untuk PJBL-nya.
Oke, Mr. Sani.
Yes.
Ya, saya mau nanya dalam bahasa ya. Ini kan satu lesson plan ya. Lesson plan yang akan digunakan sama Mr. Sani itu untuk 2 pertemuan ya. Gitu, untuk 2 pertemuan. Nah, di sini kita belum mendapatkan sesuatu yang penjelasan detail bagian mana yang akan Pak Sani selesaikan di pertemuan pertama, bagian mana yang akan Pak Sani selesaikan pada pertemuan kedua gitu.
Iya.
Oke, gimana tadi Pak Bodi pertanyaannya?
Iya, jadi kita nih kan masih melihat secara keseluruhan ya. Dan itu nggak masalah gitu kan, karena memang kita tidak mencantumkan ini pertemuan pertama, ini pertemuan kedua gitu. Nah, ini kita belum tahu nih. Jadi dari step activity ya, dari step main activity yang Pak Sani gambarkan di sini, kita belum tahu nih pada pertemuan yang mana Pak Sani akan selesaikan sampai tahap mana penyampaiannya. Pada pertemuan kedua Pak Sani akan menyelesaikan di mana gitu. Nah, ini yang perlu kita pelajari gitu kan. Oke, itu aja.
Oke, thank you Mr. Bodi. Ya, saya kalau menurut saya kalau dalam pertemuan ini kan saya bikinnya dua kali pertemuan ya.
Dua.
Satu kali ini.
Terhitung 2 kali.
Ya terhitung 2 kali karena saya bikinnya 2 kali 40 pertemuan. Saya masih tetap dalam materi yang ini juga karena yang seperti yang ini menurut pendapat saya project based learning itu kalau diselesaikan dalam satu pertemuan sepertinya nggak cukup waktunya karena banyak hal yang harus mereka analisa seperti ini masih tetap dalam topik seperti ini untuk pertemuan keduanya. Seperti itu Pak Bodi. Kalau ditanya sampai aktivitas yang mana, apakah esensial, designing, creating, atau monitoring, assessing, atau evaluating, pasti dalam pertemuan pertama ini saya harus menyelesaikan ini dulu semuanya. Gitu. Harus menyelesaikan dulu semuanya sintaks ini dalam pertemuan pertama. Nanti pertemuan keduanya ya saya bisa mengulang kembali dari seluruh sintak ini di pertemuan kedua untuk dilanjutkan di pertemuan kedua.
Jadi ini intinya tidak masalah ya tanpa kita berikan keterangan pun ini pertemuan pertama, ini pertemuan kedua di dalam lesson plan kita tidak cantumkan itu tidak masalah Pak Sani ya. Nanti mungkin kita bisa tanya ke Resmi dan Pak Sofyan.
Yes. Ya, jadi kalau menurut saya walaupun saya buatnya 2 kali pertemuan, ya saya harus tetap menyelesaikan sintaks ini secara keseluruhan di pertemuan pertama.
Kalau penyelesaian sintak ya mungkin kita paham ya, memang harus selesai gitu kan. Harus selesai. Maksud saya batasan-batasan gitu. Khawatirnya nanti ada pertanyaan, ini batasan materi yang akan Anda sampaikan atau worksheet yang Anda sampaikan atau materi yang akan sampaikan gitu. Ini sampai mana nih untuk pertemuan pertama, untuk pertemuan kedua gitu. Kalau seandainya itu tidak diminta gitu, memang diberikan sepenuhnya kepada kita gitu sebagai guru, is okay gitu kan. Yang kita khawatirkan cuma bagaimana nih kita ditanya, ini pertemuan satu sampai batas mana, pertemuan dua sampai batas mana gitu. Kalau sinteks sendiri kita sudah setuju, kemarin juga sudah disampaikan sama Pak Sofian bahwa apa namanya, jangan berpikir harus diselesaikan dalam dua pertemuan, tidak gitu. Sintaks harus selesai gitu kan. Jadi nggak berpikir harus sekian pertemuan, tidak. Sintaks harus selesai dalam satu 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 pertemuan gitu. Itu kita udah sepakat ya kalau sintaknya ya. Yang kita pertanyakan tuh batasan-batasan materinya. Pertemuan satu mana, pertemuan dua mana gitu. Itu maksud saya seperti itu. Oke, Mas Ani ya.
Ya, oke, thank you Pak Bodi.
And that's enough. Thank you very much, Mr. Sani, Mr. Bodi, and next, any other? Mr. Bodi say where is about batasan tadi, batasan. Pak, untuk greeting card kan banyak ya Bapak Ibu ya. Greeting card maybe start from if I say have you finished about this syntax? Oke ya, harus selesai dalam satu cycle ya Bapak Ibu ya. But you must keep sign about where is the first cycle and the second cycle. Harus ditulis ya Bapak Ibu ya. Tetap harus ditulis dalam satu RPP itu ya Bapak Ibu ya. One set of action plan, Bapak Ibu sudah harus menuliskan this is first cycle and then the second cycle. Itu harus sudah ditulis Bapak Ibu, jangan sampai tidak ditulis ya. Lengkap dengan student assignment ya Bapak Ibu, sehingga memang jumlahnya banyak. There are so many pages about the student assignment, ya, student worksheet, and then the materials. Materials ya tadi Miss Rina kan dari situ Miss Rina juga sudah menuliskan, hanya Mr. Sofian mengatakan ya, he says use about link or maybe picture ya, or another, jadi tidak murni teks ya Bapak Ibu ya, or video or link ya. Mr. Sani, would you scroll up? Okay, that is about using PPG Daljab. Ini ya, action plan 1, greeting cards, oke. Pak Sani, scroll up please.
Scroll down.
Ya, oke. Oke, special day, temanya special day greeting cards ya, oke. Oke, this is about one meeting ya Bapak Ibu ya, untuk dokumen for your set document from your school maybe 2 triple 40 ya, itu ada 2 kali 40 menit Pak. Nanti ini di set untuk 60 menit ya Bapak Ibu ya, karena kita sheet in kan 60 menit ya. Kita sheet in 1 jam pelajaran 60 menit di situ ya. Jadi ini untuk basic kompeten, learning kompeten is okay. Mungkin maybe di setting yang Canva ya, yang lebih banyak ada gambar-gambarnya Pak Sani ya, tidak polos seperti ini ya. Nanti ya kalau dalam bentuk sudah diupload kasih background dan sebagainya, indikator achievement oke. The student can distinguish social function, structure text dan language feature sudah oke, ini sudah masuk ya, from there are related and suitable with syllabus. Next Pak. Learning materials oke. Structural text namely receiver, body, sender. Oke, present of in greeting card. Happy birthday, my ramainya apa nih Pak? Kalau bisa jangan disingkat-singkat ya Pak, nanti ya. Dilengkapi saja di sini ya, dilengkapi. Ada berapa ditulis, ada 10 ekspresi apa 11, 15, tulis lengkap saja Pak, agar momen ini ya. And then this is about expression of greeting card. Next Pak. Language feature of greeting card, okay. Learning activities, ya, opening 8 minutes, that's enough ya, greeting. And then main activity on 6 minutes, maybe because of 60 minutes for sit-in, Pak Mr. Sani will write about 40 minutes ya, and there are only 40 minutes. The teacher deliver a topic, one of question about kinds of greeting cards. Yeah, okay. Learner, design, and then design, create ya, create the schedule, monitoring the progress project. Kalau Pak Sani akan menyelesaikan dalam satu, sebenarnya bisa Pak. Stop on birthday on the first time ya, on the first cycle, sorry, bukan time. On the first cycle maybe focus on birthday card, itu ya, birthday card. Jadi apa namanya, proyeknya anak menyelesaikan kartu ucapan ulang tahun itu sudah proyek ya Bapak Ibu ya, proyek atau produk itu Bapak Ibu?
Udah produknya itu Bu.
Iya, ada produk. Ya,
Sudah produk ya.
ya student present in front of the class itu sudah selesai dalam satu cycle, sebenarnya stop. Jadi when you use this cycle, there are about outcome ya Bapak Ibu. Ya outcome-nya apa? Ya tadi anak-anak mempresentasikan yang dia tulis tadi ya di depan kelas itu sudah produk. Jadi begitu when they finish to do this activity, there are about outcome that the teacher get it about this outcome, dapat nilainya Bapak Ibu ya, itu yang dimaksud kalau kalau dari saya pribadi ya Bapak Ibu ya, karena setiap kita akan menjelaskan, sorry begini Bapak Ibu, Aisyah bahasa pada saat itu kita menjelaskan, setelah penjelasan after explaining, ask the student do the activities related with syntax ya Bapak Ibu ya, mengerjakan sesuai dengan syntax dan outcome-nya berdapat. Why this is used? Because this is of the rule of PPG Daljab ya. Berarti dari PPG ini Bapak Ibu kan diminta untuk dalam satu cycle itu, dalam satu cycle pada saat kami sit in, saya and Mr. Sofyan itu sudah ada satu nilai Bapak Ibu untuk anak gitu ya, selesai gitu. Jadi waktunya tidak usah lama-lama dalam menganalisis, itu kan bisa diatur ya Bapak Ibu ya. Ya, when the student create the schedule, when the student asing the outcome, itu nanti sudah terlihat Bapak Ibu. Nah, keduanya besok hari kedua ya, the second cycle fokus on wedding cards or maybe condolation etc. Karena di sini jadi ketemu habis di situ Bapak Ibu, karena memang diharuskan 2 cycle habis ya. Aslinya tidak bisa 2 cycle ini habis ya Bapak Ibu ya. Kalau Bapak
Ya,
Ibu mengarah ke student competent greeting kan ini paling tidak 8 kali pertemuan gitu ya, atau 4 minggu ya. Betul ya Mr. Sani ya kita.
Iya,
Tapi
Bu.
kan ini permintaan dari sorry bukan permintaan, keharusan ya. That is must do on your LMS ya, your LMS to upload this material. There are 2 cycle about use problem based learning and project based learning. Nah, ini harus disiasati Bapak Ibu. And then about this product, and so after that maybe it so may confuse, but maybe you use about the first cycle dulu ya Bapak Ibu ya, karena ini masih belum sama sekali ya. Nanti kalau sudah first cycle Bapak Ibu tidak problem lagi. Itu saya lihat sudah mulai apa namanya, you have about this how to make a set of document gitu ya tadi ya, dokumen yang sebenarnya di proof Bapak Ibu. Ini disingkat sekali, walaupun there are so many pages, 26, 20 ya, 25 until 30. Bahkan ada yang 30, yang kategori sebelumnya ini ada saya 28 Bapak Ibu ya. 28 number karena mereka benar-benar dilengkapi, apalagi kalau sampai dengan Mr. Sani tadi ada lengkap dengan kisi-kisinya ya. Kisi-kisi soal dan sebagainya. Nah, jadi memang ke arah sana Bapak Ibu kita diminta untuk mendampingin Bapak Ibu itu benar-benar sudah bisa ya menyelesaikan masalah-masalah yang Bapak Ibu alami di dalam kelas seperti itu. Untuk cycle-nya sendiri Bapak Ibu ya, cycle sendiri sebenarnya untuk cycle ini dari evaluating ini Bapak Ibu sudah mendapatkan nilai Bapak Ibu ya, evaluating the teacher guide process of exploring project ya Bapak Ibu ya. Ini sudah lengkap sekali. Untuk closingnya, closing 20 menit, kenapa 10 minute until 12 ya oke ya. The teacher encourage the student to keep motivated in learning. It's better Pak Sani keep conclusion ya Pak Sani ya. Ask the conclusion to the student ya. Jadi ditanyakan dulu kepada siswa what we learn this morning, what we learn this afternoon, etc. Sudah belajar apa gitu hari ini. acts on the student. Jadi nanti kelihatan di sini. Intinya di situ kesimpulan ya Bapak Ibu ya. Kesimpulan by student and teacher, and then ini sudah discussion the next topic ya. I think that is not discussion ya Bapak Ibu ya. Keep ya. Just keep information. Just keep information di sini ya. Jadi diberikan ini untuk yang nomor 2 ini, the teacher announce the topic of discussion in the next meeting. Ya boleh itu announce ya. Announce atau keep apa namanya? Keep information ya. Oke. The teacher and the student perform closing prayer. Ya oke, that's enough. Next Pak, student assignment or worksheet, student worksheet. Ini YouTube ya, learning resource. Oke. Activity 1. The teacher deliver a topic. Coba Pak stop. The student deliver a topic and ask some question. Where is the question, Pak? Pertanyaannya mana, Pak?
Ini Bu, bentar Bu.
Oh, di bawah ya.
Di bawahnya. Semua jadi satu aja saya pertanyain.
After watching the video, ya oke. Ya Pak, next. What element are known? Student worksheet, birthday card. Pak, scroll up. Next. All of us are thinking of your and hope. Next, Pak. Yang ke atas lagi, Pak. Yang tadi sudah ini. Next. Oh, sorry. Not scroll up. Scroll down. Watching YouTube. Okay. Next, Pak. Student worksheet ya. I want to see it. Okay. Ya, stop, Pak. Stop. Isn't that very simple ya, Bapak Ibu ya? Happy birthday, dear to Felita. I hope all. Maybe you will get about another like picture or balloon, etc. ya, to keep about this birthday card.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. You can create one by one upon this card, Pak Sani ya. Jangan jadi satu begini tiga ya, one by one is okay.
Okay, Bu.
Okay, ya. Scroll down, please. Analyze the generic structure. Okay. Next. And then this picture ya. Picture. Pak, picture ini all the student can access upon this.
Yes, ma'am, resmi. Yeah, all the students can access.
Every day bring gadget to school.
Not in my school, the student may bring the gadgets, and they can use pijar when they are having learning process seperti itu. Jadi mereka bisa putting pijar kapanpun sesuai dengan perintah dari gurunya masing-masing.
And then when you teach in the classroom, still use pijar?
No, enggak. Jadi pijar ini ibaratnya kalau di sekolah kami ini hanya sebagai manajemen schoolnya aja.
Manajemen yang LMS-nya ya Pak.
Ya, LMS-nya untuk di sekolah kami. Jadi semua tugas siswa, semua pun aktivitasnya bisa dicek di sini, bisa dilihat di sini semua kegiatan.
Oke, thank you, Lisa. Yang teaching media Pak? Where is the teaching media?
Ini teaching media tadi kan pakai YouTube video itu.
YouTube
ya. Ini YouTube ini penilaian.
Student worksheet ya, student worksheet. Penilaian observasi, Pak, tadi you will find about skill, speaking skill or writing skill?
Saya ngeliatnya ke writing skill, Bu, di basic
skill.
kompetensinya.
Ya, untuk writing skill itu kriterianya writing skill juga, Pak, harusnya, Pak. Ke writing skill. Ya, itu writing. Kriterianya. Ini penilaian observasi ya, observasi. Untuk kriteria ya, untuk kriteria penilaian. Oh ya, oke. Next Pak. Would you make it bigger kata. Oke, membandingkan fungsi sosial struktur teks. Next, Pak. Kunci jawaban. Very easy. Find out the different purpose in the two greeting card above. The differences of purpose. Dua alasan ya Pak ya ini ya. Dua alasan
Iya, dari
dari.
dua greeting card
Jadi
yang saya berikan.
siswa compare ya, compare to greeting card.
Betul.
Ya, oke. Berarti ini writing ya Pak. Pak
Ya.
itu kurang Pak Sani nanti cantumkan untuk kriteria penilaian writing ya Pak.
Oh iya Bu, siap Bu.
Ya, tadi kan observasi ya. Jadi jelas ini anak ini kalau kalimatnya salah apa, strukturnya salah apa gitu ya.
Oh iya, siap Bu.
Tinggal browsing saja untuk kriteria penulisan writingnya gitu ya. Oke, that's good. Thank you very much, Mr. Sani.
You're welcome,
Ya,
Rusmi.
ya, so great. Tinggal ditambah background-backgroundnya ya Pak ya, biar lebih
Siap,
bagus
Bu.
lagi. Maybe the color you will matching the color to make better your action plan of the first cycle. Yeah. Thank you very much. Halo gadis. It's so beautiful.
Thank you, Mr. Rusmi.
Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Silakan. That's enough. Yeah, maybe hello, Mr. Sofyan. Is that all from me? Is it possible to give speaks, Mr. Sofyan?
Thank you very much, Miss Rusmi.
Yeah.
It will be my turn.
Okay, you're welcome. It's
Okay,
time yours.
Mr. Sani, finally you have a better, a proper kind of design. That will be a good one, I guess, yeah, for the revisions. Because the first time that you share your teaching document consists of only black and white of thing, and at this one we have a colorful kind of the teaching document. That's a good one. Yeah. Okay, now let's try to have a look at next page, please. Your topic, it will be about greeting card. Yeah. Okay, next. Would you please minimize the file so we can see it in a single page again? That's enough. Okay, so from the lesson plan, here consists of 1 meeting or 2 meetings that you are going to create the teaching practice, sir.
2 meetings.
2 meetings. But here it is 2 times 40 minutes. It is 2 meetings or it is in a single meeting.
I mean, this is saya buatnya satu pertemuan di sini, tapi sebenarnya pengennya dalam satu 2 kali 40 menit untuk 1 kali pertemuan ini, tapi masih ada pertemuan lagi yang masih ngebahas tentang greeting card ini.
Okay, so it should be 2 meetings. Okay, 2 meetings. Yeah, if you want to create the first using a project base, second one using a problem base, that's okay. You can still using greeting cards. Yeah.
Okay.
That should be fine. Okay, Mr. Sani, but the learning model that you're going to choose, it has to be different.
Okay.
Okay. And then now let's try to have a look at your basic competence over there. Your basic competence, you are mentioning or you're putting, what is it? You're putting the language feature, structure of the text, social functions, and then written text in greeting card simply through knowing social functions. And then, okay, for this one, Mr. Sani, yeah, what was your main problem that you're going to solve for the first meeting, for the first cycle? What was the problem that you have?
Yeah, based on the basic competence, the problems is we have to solve the students can distinguish and to arrange a kinds of written text in greeting card. Yeah, I think this is the problem what I have to solve by greeting card to my students. Yeah, distinguish things and arranging written text.
Okay, I mean it is for the speaking, it is for reading, or writing, or listening.
Writing.
And then for the learning objective, you're mentioning the learner can make a greeting card by using element in greeting card correctly. Is it still relevant to ask your student here to make a greeting card, Mr. Sunny?
I think it is still relevant to the basic competence. I don't.
They're still making some kind of greeting card.
Can you repeat it, Mr. Sofian?
Okay, for junior high, they're still making or creating a greeting card.
Yeah, they are going to create a greeting card.
Okay, that's okay then. Okay, next for the indicator you're mentioning, distinguish the social functions, that's okay. Next, the learning material, that's okay. Next, come on. Okay, wait a second for the example, Okay, for the example expression in greeting card, it is congratulations, happy birthday, me, and then etc. I hope you are going to choose the project for these students that's still really relevant. For example, what you guys experience with here is the Teacher's Day kind of greeting, or what will be the common greeting kind of card for the students?
In my school, the students are commonly with birthday party and then condolence card or get well soon card. This is the common use in my schools.
Okay. Next, please. Learning activities, opening. Okay. And then all of the syntax for the project-based learning that you already put it out here.
Yes, I put it out.
Okay. Next, please. And then why it is still black and white here? You have your Canva applications and then still black and white thing. Yeah, I hope you to manage. You're going to put some kind of things, for this. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, please. Okay, assessment, learning. Okay, next, come on. Okay, this will be the learning resources. Okay. Next. Okay, the video. Okay, student worksheets. Let's have a look at the student worksheets. Okay, next. Okay, next, you're also doing pijar. Next. Okay, that will be example. One. Next, please. Okay, next.
Enough, Mr. Sofian.
Okay, so you create this one only for one meeting. Yeah, so you still have one meeting to go. Okay, Mr. Sunny, I hope you're going to make it. And for the first meeting, you create 26 pages for your teaching document. It consists of 2 meetings, maybe you're going your teaching.
Okay.
I guess you're going to remember also for the first teaching practice, you are going to implement here, it is an offline kind of teaching practice or it is an online one?
Offline practice.
Okay, so for second meeting, it should be an online.
Okay.
Okay, I guess that's all from me, Mr. Sunny. Let's give a round of applause, everyone, for Mr. Sunny. Yeah.
Okay.
And then look
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Mr. It seems like she is really amazed with Mr. Sunny's document. Yeah. Okay. Go back to you then. Come on, Miss Rusmi. And then it's already 10 o'clock, I guess. We can go with the concluding statement. So they can have, they can have a good time with their family, spending the weekend. Yeah, spending the weekend while working on the teaching document. That's a good one. Come on, Miss Rusmi.
Document, Mister.
You talk.
No, no vacation.
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Sofyan. Yeah, okay. Mr. Sani, is that clear?
Clear enough, Miss Rosmi.
Okay, yeah. Thank you very much, Bapak Ibu semua. Mr. Sofyan, we will end upon this session, or maybe one of the participant.
That's enough, Miss Rusmi. Would you ask a couple statement or a summary, a sum up of our meeting of the day? So
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Oke,
Pesannya sudah
ya.
selesai, kita yang belum, alhamdulillah belum.
Ya, oh belum yang sudah selesai ya. Oke. Ya, thank you very much Bapak Ibu. Maybe because we have only just a little time to give about the remark of this our activity this morning. Please Bapak Ibu make it better ya, make it better to do about this action plan, your action plan, and then don't forget this about one set of document where about to cycle ya Bapak Ibu ya. Like Mr. Sani asks, when I ask Mr. Sani answer about there are to cycle, but when Mr. Sofyan asks, is this about one cycle?
Cycle, saya Bu.
Oh, to cycle. Jadi sudah to cycle ya. Nanti please make about the spirit about weeks make different about for cycle and to cycle ya. And second cycle ya Pak Sani ya. Jadi tetap satu set dokumen ya Bapak Ibu ya, atas bawah di situ ya. Maksudnya di scroll ke bawah tetap nanti ke weeks second cycle. Jadi lebih jelas ya. Jadi kalau mungkin untuk yang more better, maybe that Mr. Sopian keep example from Miss Pepi ya Pak Sopian ya. Itu untuk action plan Miss Pepi itu sangat luar biasa. They are so good and she has passed about this UP. Is that finish UP ya Pak Sopian ya Miss Pepi ya? Oh ya, oke. She is very beautiful, smart, and then young, yeah, Miss Baby. And then one, this is apa ya Bapak Ibu ya, jelas begitu ya Bapak Ibu ya, jelas runtut alurnya ya Bapak Ibu ya, alur penulisan dari action plan itu runtut Bapak Ibu ya, yang mana first cycle, yang mana second cycle. Jadi jelas tetapi selesaikan because all the step Mr. Sopian has give about this explanation, and there is about the best do of you will make it better to be of action plan on one cycle. And then I hope all of you have about to make about the best one because you have upload last night, yeah. Maybe last night you will upload this last night or tomorrow, Pak? Mr. X, tomorrow.
It's today, right, everyone?
Okay, yeah, okay, that's okay. Saya yakin Bapak Ibu semua sudah mempersiapkan dengan baik, ya. Never give up, Bapak Ibu. You have done the best one, and maybe you will complete with your your family, your relative. And then don't forget about your activity in this morning. We still about make a little ya Bapak Ibu ya. Just a little help about this. Maybe your ability to make about apa ya? To complete about to make your action plan is completely ya. Melengkapi tugas-tugas Bapak Ibu ya yang berhubungan dengan action plan ini. Yang belum 26 lembar silakan diotak-atik lagi ya Bapak Ibu ya, ditambah lagi ya. Yang apalagi yang masih 1 lembar ya, karena RPP 1 lembar kemarin sempat beredar selama ya nearly 2 years ya, nearly 2 years 19 until 20 itu sudah 2021 itu seru sekali ya Bapak Ibu ya, RPP 1 lembar. Padahal itu impossible kalau one piece ya, there about that impossible to one piece to make about teaching document that is about months completely to prepare about teaching document ya Bapak Ibu ya. Mulai sekarang Bapak Ibu sudah harus mempersiapkan secara lengkap ya pembelajaran yang akan Bapak Ibu gunakan untuk mengajar di kelas. Walaupun kemarin-kemarin mungkin that is not better of that one ya Bapak Ibu. Hari ini dimulai kembali karena you has get it about from Mr. Sepan ya, special from our lecture this morning. Sudah sangat jelas, sudah sangat lengkap Bapak Ibu, tinggal diaplikasikan. Ya catatan-catatan yang beliau sampaikan mohon benar-benar diulang kembali ya, dicek kembali, repeat one more, repeat lagi terus. Bapak Ibu explore kembali sehingga bisa lengkap, bisa bagus ya. There are about the best one from your action plan wherever only one cycle ya. Walaupun baru satu cycle ya Bapak Ibu ya. Karena nanti akan menunggu lagi untuk cycle berikutnya. Thank you very much for your attention Bapak Ibu. I think that's all from me. Keep spirit and have a nice activity. Thank you very much Mr. Sofian. That's all from me. Let me say Alhamdulillah maybe.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah we have finished about this session. Yeah, thank you Mr. Sofran and Bapak Ibu semua. Mr. Fuadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all from me, Mr. Sofyan.
Okay, massive thanks, Mr. Spi, for closing the sessions. Let's give a round of applause, everyone, yeah, for Mr. Spi. Yeah, who's the one that guiding us here till now, till you guys already completed the first action plan. What happened with your face, Miss Ida? Why it's only a half? Miss Siska also. Okay, my closing statement, my concluding, and then my summary to sum up our meeting of the day here. I'm gonna tell you guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this moment, a moment of working on your teaching document in your guys' weekend, yeah, and then you're gonna be happy with it, yeah. Okay, that will be my last. What is it? That will be my last statement, concluding statement. Hopefully for the next, when we are going to discuss for the second cycle, yeah, for the second action plan, you guys will have, what is it? The pattern. How did we make our action plan? Okay, everyone. And then let me say hi to Mr. Sani. Thank you very much. Yeah. You owe us one more meeting, yeah, for the first cycle, the first action plan that you got, yeah. And then Miss Bintari, what happened with your? No, yeah. I hope you learn. You're going to ask Mr. Sani how to create such a great, such a beautiful kind of the teaching document. Okay. And then Miss Titin, I hope you're going to stop telling your friend about what is it, comprehension test, about cooking, blah blah. Focus on only this, focus on only talking your guys' teaching document. What we have now. Yeah. Next, you're going to exam. You're going to have the many things, but there will be the next subject first. There will be what we call by, what is it? Making your second action plan. After that one, you're going to join a comprehensive exam or comprehensive test. Comprehensive exam or test, it is not merely only a lesson plan that you guys created, but all of your guys' comprehension starting from the first meeting of our PPG Dalja. Yeah, not only your guys' lesson plan, not only your guys' teaching document, but all the things that you guys learn starting from the first meeting of the first subject. Okay, and then you don't have to worry about that one because you're going to have a briefing also. You're going to get the explanation from the lecturer and then also from the senior teacher.
Thank you, Mr. So.
Next, Mr. Ahmad Fuadi, what happened with your face? Why it looks so intense? Now we have Miss Bimbi's face here, Miss Bimbi's expressions. Okay, with Mr. Ahmad Fuadi, I guess. Yeah. What happened with your face, sir? You're kidding? You're not.
It is okay, sir. I just want to suggest from you.
because there could be the what is it, the material about the reel, because my what is it, my material could be the narrative tag. Can you give me suggestion to find out the new one, the real one, the narrative tag, sir, for maybe the link, the YouTube, for example, like that. Thank you, sir.
I guess talking about narrative tags, yeah, you may browse anything, especially from Tenponline. Tenponline, I guess I already shared the way how that you guys can get sources from top class kind of journal, a top quality of journal. Tenponline, that will be my suggestion, I guess. Yeah, just use Tenponline. You can get all the article from Cambridge Journal of Education and then also Oxford Journal of Education. That will be a better kind of reference. Okay, Mr.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And then you gotta, what is it? You gotta enjoy a process of dizzy, a process of working overtime, a process of what is it? Tired, yeah, and then you're struggling, you will be paid completely. Okay, Mr. Ahmad Fuadi.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Next one, Mr. B. Okay, Mr. B, you're going to have a meeting with your friend after this one. Yeah, you have to gather not only with this class, but please also gather the rest of your friend. Yeah, from B class and then also from C class. Yeah, try to talk, try to share. Yeah, how that you are going to help each other in creating the teaching document. Okay.
Siap.
Okay. And the next one, Miss Nida, what happened with your face, Miss Nida? Okay, it's look like you're busy doing something over there.
Doing for the worksheet.
Okay, I guess you can complete, you can make your teaching document complete after this one. Yeah, thank you. Okay. And then Miss Siska, no phone calls for today, no chit chat. Thank you. That's a good one. Thank you. And the next one, Mr. Iksan. Thank you for always supporting your friends. You're giving all feedback for your friends. That's a good thing to do. I hope you are going to keep it for the next meeting also. Miss Rina, thank you for sharing your teaching document. Yeah, and then I'm really sorry that you have to revise it. Yeah, you're going to have a correction revisions, yeah, for your teaching document, based on all of the suggestions from your friends and then also from Miss Rusmi and then from me. And then Miss Bimbi, okay, it's look like Miss Bimbi now become a better one. Look at her face, yeah, she's not pretty intense for now, yeah. I hope for the next meeting you're going to be more, what is it, enjoying the process of our meeting. Okay, Miss Bimbi. Next one, Mr. Agus. Okay, Mr. Agus, you are the one that we wait for half hours, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, Mr. B. And then it is
the signal, sir. I cannot enter.
What is it?
The signal. I cannot enter the Zoom.
Okay. I hope you're not gonna repeat it again, yeah, Mr. Agus. If you are late, yeah, the rest of your friend here still waiting for you to join these sessions, to start the meeting. And then also Mr. Sani and Mrs. K, yeah? And then Mrs. K, right, Mr. B? Okay, why did you late for today, Mr.
No. Mr. Sofian, no. Mrs. K was not late.
Okay, I guess 3 or 4 students that came late for today.
Miss Afri, I think.
Miss Tari then. Miss Tari, you're late for today, Miss Tari.
Miss Afri.
Okay, Miss Afri. I hope you're not gonna repeat till late in coming in our class, in our meeting. Okay, everyone, I guess that's all for today's meeting. Thank you very much. And then have a great weekend working on your teaching document and then spend some time with your family. Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, everyone. See you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks to Mr.
Thank you, Bapak Ibu, Mr. Sofian.
Terima kasih semua.